There's nothing better than pulling out your favorite sweater when the temperature begins to cool or grabbing your best picnic blanket for cozy bonfires. However, it can be disappointing when you find them full of lint and pilling. As fabric begins to wear, its fibers begin to loosen and clump together to form those pills. Some fabrics are more prone to pilling than others. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 fabric shavers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Butyral Fabric Shaver and Lint Remover. The best fabric shaver to remove pills from your favorite clothes is this pick from Butyral. It's simple to use and easily gets rid of pesky lint, fuzz balls, and more from your favorite fabrics, including sweaters, jerseys, and upholstery. The blades are sharp and durable, and once they are dull, they are easily replaceable with 2 extra blades. We love that the large collection container lets you shave several pieces of clothing or fabrics in one sitting, with no need to empty them frequently. There are 3 shaving heights, 2 speeds, and 3 shaving hole sizes for different types of fabric and pilling sizes. Keep in mind that if you're working on hard-to-reach pills, it's recommended to remove the spacer on the shaver foil. Also, Butyral mentions that their fabric shaver and lint remover are not recommended for removing pet hair. Number 2. Conair Fabric Shaver and Lint Remover. Available in 6 different colors, Conair's battery-operated fabric shaver and lint remover are the best fabric shaver for almost any defuzzing need. It safely removes fuzz, lint, and pills from socks, sofas, sweaters, and more. The fabric shaver is safe to use on most household fabrics. The device is battery-operated, making it the best fabric shaver for easy portability and convenience. It's compact enough to travel with, and when in storage, it's small enough to sit easily in a drawer. However, we wish it came with a blade cover for extra protection. Although it's on the smaller side, the Conair has a comfortable, ergonomic grip and 3 depth settings to shave fuzz, pilling, and lint from fabrics. The adjustable distance controller is perfect for customizing to your specific type of fabric, and the detachable lint catcher makes for easy cleanup. Keep in mind batteries are not included with the product. Number 3. Gleaner Battery-Free Fabric Shaver and Lint Brush. We love the handy pouch this fabric shaver comes with, making it easier to toss in your work bag or suitcase for on-the-go needs. Gleaner's design has an easy-to-use ergonomic handle with a soft, molded grip. The kit includes the travel pouch, a built-in lint brush, and 3 edges for different fabric needs. If you're unsure about buying a fabric shaver that uses a motor or blade, this manual version can be the best fabric shaver to start with since you can control the pressure yourself. It's excellent at grabbing pet fur and dusting away dandruff, too. Keep in mind, to switch between settings you'll need to replace the entire head, which can be easy to misplace. Luckily, the travel pouch makes for a great spot to store them. Product details: type, manual operation with blade, number of settings, 3 edges, big and bulky, medium, and delicate, dimensions, 10 by 2 by 5.25 inches, weight, 5.3 ounces. Number 4. Popcho's Fabric Shaver, Lint Remover Defuzzer Sweater Shaver. For upholstery, this powerful fabric shaver is the best. Its motor spins at almost 9,000 RPM and includes 6 leaf stainless steel blades and a 2.7-inch shaving head, making for a quick and effective fabric shaver. In addition to the shaver head, it includes removable electrostatic brushes for extra cleaning. We also appreciate that it comes with 2 replacement 6-blade heads so you always have a sharp one on hand. The handle rotates 180 degrees, which lets you adjust your grip easily, a nice feature for working with furniture. If you have a lot of fabric to shave, keep in mind that the Popcho's shaver lasts around an hour on a full charge. And once you run out of juice, it can take up to 2 hours to recharge. Product details: type, battery-operated blades, number of settings, 1, dimensions, 5.3 by 6.6 by 3.6 inches, weight, 14.1 ounces. Number 5. Evercare Duo Pet Hair and Lint Remover. This small fabric shaver from Evercare fits in the palm of your hand, making it the best fabric shaver for easy portability and convenience. We love how compact it is, especially for travel. It fits nicely in a suitcase or garment bag. The Evercare fabric shaver is comfortable to hold and works quickly, which is always a bonus if you need to tackle some pilling while you're on the go. It also includes a detachable lint catcher and a small brush to help remove trapped lint. The shaver comes with a cover to protect the sharp blades from wear during transit or storage. The fabric shaver removes pilling and fuzz balls from sweaters, shirt collars, wool, flannel, and any knit fabrics. Keep in mind that the small size and even smaller lint container means this isn't the best option for larger jobs like sofas. In addition, the shaver requires 2 AA batteries, which are not included. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.